How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Miss Parvati Chaugule, your first grade English teacher. So students, in last episode what we have learned? Yes, we have learnt one chapter, that is at the zoo. Isn't it? Yes. Have you enjoyed that chapter? Yes. Okay. So once again we will see the video of that chapter and today we will solve exercise of it.
At the zoo. It is Sunday. Manu and his dog Spot are playing. Father comes and says,
"We are going to the zoo today."
Manu is very happy. He says, "Yippee!" Spot says, "Whoop, whoop." Little Nika is happy too. Manu takes his bat and ball. Spot takes his rubber bone. Little Nika takes her doll. They cannot wait to get in the car. But where are Mummy and Daddy? Mummy and Daddy are busy packing food. They get into the car. Vroom! The car takes them to the zoo. At the zoo, the tiger is asleep. The birds chirp. Tweet, tweet. The lion roars. Roar. The lion cub tries to roar. Roar. The snake goes hiss. The monkey waves his long tail. The crocodile shakes his tail. The elephant lifts his long nose. What fun they all have!
So students, in this way we have seen the chapter, okay? And we have seen different kinds of animals in the zoo. So today we will be solving the exercise or the questions based on this chapter. Evaluate reading. On the basis of our understanding, we are going to solve the questions, okay? Are you all ready? Yes. Now, first of all, open your textbook. Take out page number 35. Take your pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. So, now open page number 35. Keep your pencil ready. Now, we will solve the questions. Tick the right option. What we have to do in first question? Yes, we have to tick the right option. Okay. First, Daddy said he would take all of them. What Daddy said? Daddy said he would take all of them to the park or to the zoo. Daddy decided to take them all where they were going to, They were going to the park or they were going to the zoo? Yes, they were going to the zoo. Isn't it? Yes. Children, now put tick on B option. You should do with me, okay? Now, next question. Who were happy? Who were happy by hearing that they were going to the zoo? Manu and Meeta. Second, Manu, Meeta and Spot. Who were happy? Only Manu and Meeta? No. Manu, Meeta and Spot were happy by hearing that they are going to the zoo. So put tick on option number 2. Now, next question is, at the zoo they saw. So here are the names of some animals. Okay. Now we have to put tick on that animals, name of that animals which were found in the zoo according to the lesson. Okay. Monkey was there in the zoo? Yes, monkey was there. So put tick. Snake was there? Yes, snake was also there. Donkey was there? No, donkey was not there. Next, cheetah? No, cheetah was also not there. Lion? Yes, lion was there in the zoo. Tiger? Yes, tiger was also there in the zoo. Next, giraffe was there? No, giraffe was not there. Elephant? Yes, elephant was there in the zoo. And last one, crocodile was there? Yes, crocodile was also there in the zoo. So, how many animals were there? Monkey, snake, lion, tiger, elephant and crocodile. So, these were the animals in the zoo. So, now take down this. Okay, have you finished? Once more, Daddy said that he would take all of them to the zoo. Who were happy? Manu, Mita and Spot were happy. At the zoo, they saw monkey, snake, lion, tiger, elephant, crocodile. Isn't it? Yes. So now we will move to our next question. Answer the questions with yes or no. Circle the right option. Okay. Based on the chapter, we have to solve this B question. What we have to do? We have to circle the right option. Okay. Now, the crocodile went hiss. No. One is done for you. It is no. The elephant had a long nose. Elephant had a long nose. Yes. Elephant had a long nose. Next question. The family went by car to the zoo. Yes, the family went by car to the zoo. Now, next question. The tiger was roaming. Was tiger roaming? No, tiger was not roaming. Tiger was sleeping. The lion was sleeping? No, lion was not sleeping. So, these were the answers. Now, do it fast. The elephant had a long nose. Yes, elephant had a long nose. The family went by car to the zoo. Yes. The tiger was roaming? No. The lion was sleeping? No. The tiger was sleeping and the lion was roaring. These were the right answers. So, students, here we have seen second question. Okay. Now, I will rough these answers. You have to take it down fast. Okay. Take it down. Have you completed? Have you finished? Okay. Now, we will go to this next, language in use. What we will see now? Language in use. Language in use. Okay, what we are going to see now? Language in use. So what we have to do here is, we will first read these sentences. Okay, by using is, am, are, we have to do this. By using is, am, are. See this. I am Manu. Read this sentence. I am Manu. Here use of am. A-M, am. Next, she is Amina. Who is she? She is Amina. Next, we are friends. We are friends. Here are. So using is, am, are, we have to solve. Okay. Now see. See here, by using is, am, are, we have to solve the questions. So, first of all, I will tell you where to use is, where to use are, and where to use am. Okay. Students, always when we introduce ourselves, what we say? I am a girl. Then we start to introduce ourselves, isn't it? Yes. Now, always with I, we use, always with I, we use am, am, isn't it? Always with I, we use am, am. Now, next, when we use is, yes, when we say that she is Amina, in earlier slide we have seen she is Amina. Manu was introducing to Amina, so he said she is Amina. So, with he, she and it, we use is. What we use? With he, she and it, we use is. And when we use A-R-E-R, we use are when we are. When we say more than one, means when we say the things are more than one. Okay, more than one. We, at the time of sentence framing, we use are. For example, what we will say, if there are many pens with me, I have, what we will say? Okay, we will frame one sentence. If the children are playing, okay, when we use word children, when more than one child is playing in the garden, okay, then we use children. For example, I have to tell that there are some children playing. So, what the sentence I will make? There are some children playing. So, here are introduces that there are more than one people or there are more than one things. Okay. Now, when we use are with they, okay, they are, like this we use. Means when we are introducing to ourselves, we use am. When is we use with he, she or it we use is, and are we use with they. Okay, isn't it? Now we will solve the questions. Now circle the right options in the sentence. What we have to do? We have to circle the right options. I am, what it will come? I am, is, are playing with my friends. What it will come? Yes. I के साथ क्या आता है हमेशा? What the word comes with I always? Yes, it is am. It is am. I am playing with my friends. What it is? I am playing with my friends. Now next question. The woman am, is, are reading a newspaper. What it will come? The woman is reading a newspaper. We use is with what? Yes, he, she, it. But when we are introducing or when we are pointing to one person, at that time also we use is. The woman is reading a newspaper. What the woman is doing? Woman is reading a newspaper. Next, the children am, is, are painting. So what is the right option? The children are painting, because we use children to show that there are more child. Okay, there are more students, we can say. So the children are painting. What the children are doing? The children are painting. Now next question. The man is, am, are making samosas. What the man is doing? He is making samosas. So the man is making samosas. What he is doing? He is making samosas. Okay. So you have to do this in your textbook. What is the first answer? I am playing with my friends. The woman is reading a newspaper. The children are painting. The man is making samosas. Okay, now we will solve this exercise. Okay, what we have to do? We have to solve this exercise. Okay, here only we will solve it. See now, what is the first question? The sunflower, what we have to fill? We have to fill is, am, are. Okay, we have to fill is, am, are. The sunflower is yellow. Yes, it is yellow. The sunflower is yellow. Next, the cups. The cups, more than one. Yes, the cups are full. The cups are full. The mouse is hiding. What it will come? The mouse is hiding. Next, I, always with I, what it will come? Yes, am. I am hungry. I am hungry. Next, the dog is barking. The dog is barking. Now take it down fast. The sunflower is yellow. The cups are full. The mouse is hiding. I am hungry. The dog is barking. Okay, the dog is barking. Now we will solve this next question. Now, what is our next question? Look at the pictures of the animals. Look at the pictures of the animals. Write their names, then write the names of their babies in the box. What we have to do? We have to write the names of animals first, and then we have to write the names of their babies. Okay. So, now students, we will see animals and their babies. Okay. Look at the pictures of animals, write their names, then write the names of their babies from the box. Okay. Now what we will do? We will write here name of the animal and then here name of that baby, means what the baby of that animal is called. So, students, tell me, which animal is there in this picture? Yes, it is lion. Now, the baby of lion is called as? Is it called kitten? No, it is called cub. What it is called? It is called cub. Now we will see, is our answer right? Yes, our answer is right. Now, next picture is of cat. What it is? It is cat. So, now tell, what does the baby cat is called? Yes, the baby cat is called kitten. What the baby cat is called? Baby cat is called kitten. We will submit. Yes, our answer is right. Cat, kitten, lion, cub. Now next, what it is? It is, yes, it is dog. What it is? It is a dog. Now tell me, what is the baby dog is called? Yes, baby dog is called puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Now the next is cow. What it is? Yes, it is a cow. Now, what does a baby cow called? It is called calf. What it is called? It is called calf. Next, what it is? It is a sheep. What it is? It is a sheep. Now, what the baby sheep called? Baby sheep is called lamb. What the baby sheep is called? Baby sheep is called as lamb. Now, the next and the last one is, what it is? It is a horse. What it is? It is a horse. Then what does a baby horse called? Foal. What it is? Foal. Now, students, in this question we have seen some animals and their babies, name of their babies: lion, cub, cat, kitten, dog, puppy, cow, calf, sheep, lamb, horse, fowl. Okay. Now we will see next question. What it is? We have to listen an audio and then we have to write. Here in this blank we have to fill after listening this audio. So listen this audio carefully so that you will be able to fill these blanks. Okay.
One, I live in water. I can swim. I have a tail.
See now, here in this first blank we have to fill, means characteristics are, characteristics we have listened. What it is? It live in water, it has tail. So, does this live in water? No. Fish. It is fish which live in water and has tail. Okay. Take it down. Now we will see the next one.
2. I live in a house called a coop. I have 2 legs, 2 wings, and a tail. I eat worms, bugs, and grain. I lay eggs.
See now, the second, it lays eggs, it has wings, it has 2 legs, and it lives in a home called coop. Okay. Now what is the animal? It is this butterfly. Butterfly lays egg and it has 2 legs. No, it is hen. What it is? It is hen. Now the next one is what the remaining? See now, we will listen.
3. I have wings, but I am not a bird. I am small and colorful. I live in gardens. 1. I live in water.
This last one lives in the garden, have wings and it flies. Colorful wings it has. So it is butterfly. What it is? Butterfly. BUTTERFLY. It is butterfly. Okay. Now take it down fast. Are you done with it? Now we have to listen these words, okay, and we have to see where is the stress.
Seat. Sit.
Seat. It is SEAT. Seat. And sit. 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 Next.
Heat. Hit.
Heat. 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 And HIT. Hit.
Deep. Dip.
It is deep. 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 And dip. DIP. Dip.
Weep. Whip.
Weep. 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 And whip. 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 And the last one is
Peel. Pill.
peel. 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 And pill. 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 Okay. Now we have to work in pair. Talk about what you see in the picture. Use the hints. What all we see in this picture? Yes, donkey is braying. What the donkey is doing? Donkey is braying and he is on the bridge. Rabbit is covering its ear. What the rabbit is doing? Rabbit have covered his ears. Bird is flying away because this donkey is making a lot sound. Because of that, bird is flying away and this rabbit has covered his ears. Okay. It is very noisy. This place is very noisy because donkey is braying very loudly. That's why bird is flying away. and rabbit have covered his ears, isn't it? Yes. Now, next is, in this we have to read the sentences and then we have to describe elephant, okay? Writing, these sentences describe the giraffe. These four sentences describe giraffe. The giraffe is a tall animal, isn't it? Yes, giraffe is a tall animal. It is yellow in color. What is the color of this giraffe? Yes, it is yellow. It has 4 legs and a long neck. It has 4 legs and a long neck. It has spots on its body. What it is having on its body? Spots on its body. Now, as we have seen, we have read the sentences which describe giraffe. Now we have to fill the blanks and we have to describe elephant, okay? Now describe an elephant. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. See now, an elephant is very, what it will come? Yes, an elephant is very big. What it is? It is very big. Next, it is, what is the color? It is grey color. What is? It is grey color. What is the color of the elephant? It is of grey color. It has 4 legs. Yes, it has 4 legs and 2 big ears. It has 2 big ears. Its long nose is called a trunk. Its long nose is called a trunk. Yes, its long nose is called as trunk. We will read, an elephant is very big. It is grey in color. It has 4 legs and 2 big ears. Its long nose is called a trunk. So in this way, we have described elephant. What we have did? We have described elephant. So here it is an activity. See what the child in each picture is doing. Put tick if it is right action and cross if it is bad action. Then tell your teacher the answer. Okay. See now, in first picture, what the child is doing? He is hitting the puppy with the stick. So it is right or wrong? Yes, it is wrong action. Next, a boy is eating chocolate and he is throwing that paper down. It is right? No, we should throw it in the dustbin. That cover we have to throw it in the dustbin. And last one, a girl is caring to the dog. It is right or wrong? Yes, we should take care of animals. Okay. So, in this way we should take care of animals. We should not hurt it. Okay. So, students, in this way we have completed questions based on at the zoo. Have you understood it? Yes, the questions were easy, isn't it? Yes. So, in this way, we have completed our chapter at the zoo. Thank you. Take care.